Okay, then listen to
Seagull.
Hey Lily, I got all the footage.
Seagull. Seagull.
I'm playing a really good game. They can't hear. They can't. I don't think they can hear you. Don't break the glass.
Come here. Seagulls now fly up.
Amanda.
Whoa, don't walk. Fly up. Fly up.
That's good.
Fly up. Fly up.
Well, I'm playing a game, so I don't think I'm videoing you.
Fly up. You can do it. Fly up. Fly up.
I was Sarah's going birdie.
You can do it. Fly up.
Ew!
Dad, she's sick of the glass.
Like this.
Look,
Videoing.
I got that on video.
Fly up.
No, I'm joking. I didn't.
Fly
No, I didn't, Lily. I'm joking.
up.
No.
I can't wait to post this online.
Are you playing a game? Seagull. Seagull. Fly up. Seagull. Fly up. Seagull. You're videoing me, aren't you?
No.
Mr. Killer, she's nice. So
No, I can show Mama you're saying not normalness.
I'm normal, Mom.
She sounds like a screaming. she sounds like a screaming 4-year-old who can't get his dinky.
What?
It says connect to charger.
Hey, do you have any charger in here?
No.
Hold. I'll be
The best night ever!
Be quiet, Lily.
Hold it towards me. And then if it stops, just hit the camera button right here.
I'm here at the
Lily.
Hit the camera button.
Lily, what's your battery on?
14.
Ooh.
You are the dumbest person in the world.
But the other thing is we are the best of ponies. The ponies will free. Ooh, yeah, let's turn the sound up. Are you videoing me?
No.
Good.
Can you sing us a beautiful song, Lily? I'm joking.
And
Look towards the window.
What?
There's another seagull.
Lily.
Come there. Dad, I made a picture of you in my hair.
Not in your hair.
It's not your hair.
Seagull. My hood. Yay.
Hey, was that a seagull? Or was that your game, Lily?
That's my game.
Oh,
Where's the seagull? It's on my game.